Instagram meme pages often make money through various monetization strategies. Here are a few common ways meme pages generate revenue. Sponsored content. Meme pages collaborate with brands and businesses to create sponsored posts or stories. These posts promote products or services, and meme page owners receive payment in return. Affiliate marketing. Meme pages may participate in affiliate marketing programs. They promote products or services using unique affiliate links, and when their followers make a purchase through those links, meme page owners earn a commission. Merchandise sales. Many meme pages create and sell their merchandise, such as t-shirts, hoodies, or accessories, featuring their popular memes. They use their large following to promote and sell these products. Brand partnerships. Meme pages with significant reach and influence often secure long-term partnerships with brands. These partnerships may involve creating exclusive content, sponsored events, or ongoing promotion in exchange for monetary compensation. Sponsored giveaways. Meme pages may collaborate with brands to host giveaways where followers have a chance to win products or services. These collaborations help increase brand exposure and engagement. Social media management. Some meme page owners leverage their expertise in social media to offer services such as managing other accounts or providing consulting to businesses.